cops because someone stole his tung sahur.
Yeah.
DJ can dance.
You just toggle it back and forth. Can I make it dance?
Now, some of you may love it, some of you may hate it, but love it or hate it, you cannot ignore it. AI has entered the classroom silently and it's not going anywhere. So better we learn to use it responsibly. जो भी पढ़ा आज आपको वो कितनी चीजें काम आ रही हैं आपकी और कितनी चीजें सिर्फ एग्जाम के लिए थी. आपने सिर्फ रट्टे मार के कितनी चीजों की ऐसी पढ़ाई की है जो बाद में आपके कभी काम नहीं आई. आपको क्या लगता है इंडिया में इस तरह का सिस्टम काम कर सकता है? इंडियाज लर्निंग कल्चर इज डीपली ह्यूमन. India's education system is built on Guru Shishya tradition, teacher-student bond, the emotional mentorship, family, social pressure and guidance, everything works together. India में teacher सिर्फ teacher नहीं होता, mentor होता है, guide होता है, कभी कभी life coach भी होता है. Education ऐसी हो सकती है जिसमें school और life अलग अलग ना हो, साथ में चले. Alpha School accelerates education by not wasting time.
The most important part of education is a motivated student. 2-hour learning is motivational for every kid on the planet.
सिर्फ अटेंडेंस के लिए स्कूल नहीं जाना चाहिए, लर्निंग को एंजॉय करना चाहिए. तो क्या ये 6-7 घंटे वाला स्कूल जरूरी है या बस ये एक आदत जो हमारा सिस्टम बन चुका है, बस वो बन चुका है और हम वही फॉलो कर रहे हैं, या फिर ये पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि वो जितना ज़्यादा बच्चे स्कूल जाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा समय पेरेंट्स को मिलेगा, उन्हीं आवर्स में वो अपना काम कर सकते हैं, अपनी जॉब पे जाते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, तो वो टाइम आपस में वो ठीक रहता है. Is it that it gives parents the time they need to work?
We're like building satellites, like mini satellites that we're gonna throw into space. I think a few experts like on call with us for each workshop session, teaching us how to do like the breadboard stuff. So
NASA engineers you call in to get some help and guidance on the satellite building?
Yeah.
And you're going to launch this into space?
I think so.
Wow, that's very cool. So Play integrates some VR. Very unique. So the kids that go here, in addition to academics, also get to utilize all of this as a gaming facility, essentially. So this is the 4th grade check chart. So in order to be proficient in 4th grade, you have to do the following things. So there's everything from climb 110 flights of stairs, all the way to learning how to improve credit score.
Homework के लिए, classwork के लिए, classroom में teacher है ही नहीं. They believe that students learn best when they are not forced to sit through the material they already know. और AI आपको पढ़ा रहा है और टीचर सिर्फ आपको गाइड कर रही है, मोटिवेट कर रही है. सोचो एक ऐसा स्कूल जहाँ बच्चे सिर्फ 2 घंटे पढ़ाई करते हैं, कोई होमवर्क नहीं, ट्रेडिशनल टीचर्स नहीं, फिर भी वो सीख रहे हैं बाकियों से कई गुना तेज. Sounds crazy, right? But this is actually happening and it might change the future of education. Imagine sending your child to a school where they study only 2 hours a day. No homework, no boring lectures, and still they are learning faster than normal students.
You're still outperforming traditional schools.
Gaming while we're still being smarter.
Gaming and being smarter.
The students who go to traditional schools, it sounds impossible, right? But this is real. And honestly, it might be the future of education. I mean, it's been going on for quite some time now. To share my personal thoughts. So there was a time when we used to go to the libraries, read, research. So what do you think? Would you send your child to a school like this? Or do you still believe in the traditional education?
And we will pay them $1,000 to get to top 1%.
और AI आपको पढ़ा रहा है और टीचर सिर्फ आपको गाइड कर रही है, मोटिवेट कर रही है.
It's so easy to fix. When you use these, learning science-based AI tutors and the apps that we have, kids can learn 10 times faster.
The big question is, which one actually prepares kids better for life? If we were to design a school from scratch today, would it look anything like what we have now?
I don't think you can pay a kid enough to love school by going through that. If you're not doing well, go back and do the basics.
Is this the future? Or we are about to lose something very important, the human connection?
Individualized tutoring and a mastery-based standard is the best way to teach kids.
Same pace, same method, same curriculum for everyone, one size fits all. This model does not do that.
Let's re-envision what a school is from the ground up.
Let's be honest, most traditional schools were designed 100 years ago for factory-style learning, that's what they say. कि आज अगर हम स्कूल्स को डिजाइन करेंगे तो क्या वो सेम स्कूल हम डिजाइन करना चाहेंगे?
Active learning is better than passive learning, right? That retention of sitting passively in a classroom is the worst way to teach a kid. If you get there and do these lessons and we're just going to keep giving you lessons and you do the work, you're going to get $1,000.
Now, some of you may love it, some of you may hate it, but AI has entered the classrooms silently and it's here to stay. However, whether it can replace traditional education or simply provide an elite alternative remains to be seen.
There's like a PlayStation remote, a Nintendo Switch, mini fridge here with some LaCroix. Even the front desk has maybe the largest monitor I've ever seen. And it seems like they're pretty holistic. And this is for a fourth grader too. 110 flights is no joke. Mox is gonna show us something from last session that they built. It looks like a drone.
So this is a drone that we built from scratch.
Wow, custom built drone, also Smash. I guess they play that collectively, so they're
तो जब स्टूडेंट्स अल्फ़ा में किसी प्रोग्राम अल्फ़ा के प्रोग्राम में साइन अप करते हैं तो उनका एक टेस्ट होता है और उनका लेवल असेस करता है एआई और उसके बाद उनको हर सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से उनकी वो ग्रेड डिसाइड करता है और लेसन्स ऑटोमेटिकली उसी हिसाब से अडेप्ट हो जाते हैं. मतलब इट्स लाइक टोटली पर्सनलाइज्ड लर्निंग. और यहाँ पे ग्रेड्स ABCD ऐसे ग्रेड्स नहीं मिलते हैं. पास होने के लिए 90% कॉन्सेप्ट प्रॉपरली समझना पड़ता है और मोटिवेशन के लिए स्टूडेंट्स DoorDash से फूड भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. Isn't that interesting? आप क्या सोच रहे हो? Is this the future of education?
Most of the students donated to charity or to the community, with one alpha being worth 25 cents.
like, is there homework?
So there's no official homework. Exactly, yeah. Local economy, they can buy all these really awesome things.
Are the snacks too? Snacks included, or is that just part of when the kids are here?
Snacks are going to be part of the motivational model where if they hit their goals.
Building actually used to be owned by Google, ironically. At one point, we even came across one of their secret off-limits stores. Had a good time.
Keep killing it. Thank you guys for having in space.
Alpha School prompts educators to reconsider what is possible, demonstrating how students can learn twice as quickly while engaging in meaningful real-world activities.
You think it's the current material,
Yep.
but it's your prereqs.
It's
right?
your foundation.
It's your foundation.
मैं पीछे छूट जाऊंगा, मुझे जल्दी खत्म करना है ये काम, कोई प्रेशर नहीं है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, फिर भी वो सीख रहे हैं दूसरों से ज्यादा तेज और दूसरों से ज्यादा अच्छा. कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है, कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. एक AI स्कूल अल्फा स्कूल जिसकी फीस है करीब $40,000 से $75,000 पर ईयर. यहाँ लेकिन ट्रेडिशनल टीचर्स की जगह AI लर्निंग सिस्टम यूज़ हो रहा है और इसे बहुत लोग क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं कि एक ऐसी टीचरलेस स्कूल ये वर्थ है या नहीं है. पर इसका दूसरा साइड भी है. अल्फा स्कूल के जो प्रिंसिपल है, अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम बच्चे सिर्फ 2 से 3 घंटे पढ़ के एकेडमिक्स कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. बाकी टाइम रियल लाइफ स्किल्स, क्रिएटिविटी, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, पर्सनलाइज्ड लर्निंग मिल रही है. हर स्टूडेंट अपनी स्पीड पे पढ़ रहा है. चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट ड्रेडिंग स्कूल, दे आर लविंग इट. दे आर हैविंग फन लर्निंग. फोकस सिर्फ मार्क्स पर नहीं है, फ्यूचर रेडी स्किल्स पर है. एक साइड तो एक्सपेंसिव AI एक्सपेरिमेंट लग रहा है, फ्यूचर ऑफ एजुकेशन भी लग रहा है. आप बताओ, आपको ये चॉइस मिले तो आपकी चॉइस क्या होगी? टाइम था जब हम लाइब्रेरी जाया करते थे, वहीं पढ़ते थे, रिसर्च करते थे. ऐसे लिखना हो तो कोई AI की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. अब लोग AI पे डिपेंड कर रहे हैं. कुछ लोग कहते हैं इट्स द डेथ ऑफ क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, डेथ ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी. क्या लोग डम बन रहे हैं इससे? इज इट डिस्करेजिंग पीपल टू थिंक ऑन देयर ओन? इज इट हेल्पिंग टीचर्स ऑल्सो? इन अ recent survey they said AI is helping teachers save an average of 5.9 hours a week. It's helping them with lesson plans, with their teaching methods. AI-powered apps are doing it all. Teachers
Have 2 hours in the morning where they do a lot of the educational stuff like math, reading, and writing.
This hybrid structure of independent learning in the morning, in-person engagement in the afternoon is a key difference.
What would make a school 10 times better than, old school that we went to?
Students should neither be forced to relearn mastered content nor be pushed into material that they are unprepared for. Traditional classrooms struggle to maintain this balance.
And so we sort of have 5 dimensions that we do. And the first is kids must love school. And
AI-based instruction goes beyond traditional adaptive learning by assessing not just correct answers but the reasoning behind them. This allows the system to pinpoint conceptual misunderstandings and address them immediately.
I'm like, make a place where kids love school.
By eliminating boredom and disengagement, AI schools keep students highly motivated. Traditional classrooms operate on a compromise. Spacing is set to accommodate the majority, with the chief goal of minimizing the number of students who fall behind. Students start each grade with the primary goal of being ready to progress to the next grade. ये जो AI school model है, इसमें बेसिकली ये जज किया जाता है, ये असेस किया जाता है कि बच्चा किस लेवल पे है और किस स्पेस से वो सीख सकता है. अगर वो काफ़ी आगे है दूसरे बच्चों से तो उसे रोक के नहीं रखा जाएगा कि मेन एम ये है कि सारी क्लास साथ में आगे चले. कि जो अल्फा स्कूल्स हैं नए, उसमें इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Critics of alpha school often express concern that students spend too much time on screens. However, alpha students spend only 2 hours daily on academic screen time, less than many traditional schools.
I've never seen anything like this before at any school. Braden also told us that students could invest the money and the school would even pay them 5% interest. And while it's not for their own personal investment, most of the students donate it to charity or to the community, with one alpha being worth 25 cents.
Alpha school model is particularly well suited for highly self-motivated students. However, it remains unclear how well it will work for students who need more structure and direct instruction. The idea of replacing human educators with AI tutors is controversial, and some educators worry that younger students in particular may struggle with self-directed learning without the presence of a traditional teacher. By allowing students to work individually at their own pace but within a shared environment, Alpha School preserves the social benefits of schooling while eliminating many of its traditional inefficiencies.
It's like, if you're not doing well, go back and do the basics. It's so easy to fix.
Teachers, called guides, do not lecture or grade assignments in these core courses. They act as motivators and mentors, helping students remain engaged or on track. So here's how it works. Instead of teachers teaching the whole class, students learn through AI-powered personalized systems. Each child studies at their own speed, their own pace. If they do not understand something, the system adjusts instantly.
When you use these, learning science-based AI tutors and the apps that we have, kids can learn 10 times faster.
Handle the core academics like math, science, and grammar very well because it can give you a lot of practice, it can give you instant feedback, step-by-step explanations, everything at your fingertips. Even for something like test preparation, for SAT, for exams, for a quiz, even for technical skills like coding, digital tools, and research. They claim that students can learn 2 times faster in just 2 hours. Basically, no waiting for the whole class, no getting left behind, no getting bored. सबका काम खत्म होगा तभी आगे बढ़ेंगे. सारी क्लास को साथ चलना है, मेजॉरिटी को देखना है, उसी हिसाब से क्लास चलेगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Better retention, learning at your own pace, which means better understanding. You don't have to rush through things. You don't have to wait for others. You're learning at your own pace, so you're understanding things better. Less stress, less homework, which means less pressure. Mental health improves. Data-driven progress. AI tracks exactly where a student struggles and it adjusts accordingly. There are future-ready skills. Kids grow up using tech, AI, and problem-solving daily. Students can learn anytime, anywhere. You have more free time, which means more innovation, more following your passion. Does it sound perfect now? But let's not forget what traditional schools still do better. Before we say, wow, this is perfect, this is amazing, in 2 hours, children are learning everything and then they are focusing on sports and learning business skills and communication skills and whatnot. But there are some serious concerns. Human connection. A great teacher can inspire you for life. Social skills, teamwork, real life interaction does matter. Are kids spending too much time on screen? What about social interaction? Can AI replace the human connection, human teachers?
AI-powered school. If kids love school, they can master academics faster.
Education is not just about information. It's about inspiration, mentorship, emotional connection. Teachers notice when a child is struggling emotionally. Teacher can support the student. But still, this raises a very powerful question. Do kids really need 6 to 7 hours of school every day? Or is it just tradition? We are just following that old model without any questions? Or is it something that makes the lives of parents easier because they get those 6 to 7 or 8 hours of time to work? And maybe the next generation won't study the way we did at all. So what do you think? Would you send your child to a school like this? Or do you still believe in the traditional education? It's a proven system. Traditional education has worked for generations. And lastly, accessibility. Most traditional schools are far more affordable or free. One thing is clear, the way we studied is not how the next generation will study. And maybe that's a good thing. Good teachers don't just lecture. They already use many advanced strategies, like differentiated instruction. They adjust teaching based on student ability, level, and style, asking deep questions instead of giving answers, building critical thinking, collaborative learning, group work or peer learning, formative assessment, ongoing checks, summative assessment, tests, exams, final evaluations, multisensory teaching like visual, auditory, kinesthetic methods. There is project-based learning, real-world projects and assignments, feedback which a teacher gives and the feedback that the AI gives. I think it must be very different. Let's be honest, there are some things that AI schools are doing insanely well. Every child learns at their own speed. No one feels left behind or bored. There's less stress, there's less homework, there's instant feedback, there's no waiting for results, no fixed classroom speed, no one size fits all. AI tutoring, instant explanation, hints, corrections, everything is given instantly. In the classroom, the student has to wait for the teacher. It's difficult for teacher to give individualized attention, prompt attention, instant attention to anybody or give instant feedback to anyone. If you think about your own school life, friends, teachers, those small moments, those connections, those relationships, and then you realize traditional schools do something that AI can never do. A teacher who understands you, real friendships, social growth, learning how to deal with people, how to connect with people, about relationships. We don't want to turn them into robots. Emotional support. What about the emotional support when a child is struggling? The discipline, the routine, the structure. A great teacher can change your life, not just your grades. Now, they do have guides in these alpha schools. The guides are there to support, to motivate, to encourage the students to see that they are on the right track. So, yes, that support is there. But we do not know if it's the same kind of support that a teacher would give to the student in the class. क्या लगता है आपको ये स्कूल सिस्टम नहीं है, ये कोई एक शॉर्टकट मेथड है? हम सिलेबस कंप्लीट करते थे, ये लोग लाइफ बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. पढ़ाई कम, लर्निंग ज्यादा, रट्टे मारना कम, समझना ज्यादा. अगर हम पुराने सिस्टम को देखें और नए सिस्टम को देखें, हम क्या करते थे स्कूल में? स्कूल में सिखाया जाता था याद करना, मेमोराइज करना, रट्टे मारना. एग्जाम के बाद सब भूल जाना. किसी तरह से बहुत मेहनत कर ली, रात भर जग के पढ़ाई कर ली, अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए मतलब बहुत इंटेलिजेंट. और अब स्किल्स मैटर, क्रिएटिविटी मैटर्स, कम्युनिकेशन मैटर्स. मतलब पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम, सब चीजें बदल गई. आई रियली वांट टू नो योर थॉट्स ऑन दिस. ओनली 2 hours ऑफ स्कूल. Is it the future of education? Is it here? Are you ready for this? AI schools are replacing teachers. Are they replacing teachers? Do you want them to replace teachers? Or 7 hours of school, homework, exams, real teachers, interaction with real teachers every day? What would you prefer as a student, as a parent? Please let me know in the comments. It sounds fake, but it's all real. Kids study for 2 hours and still win? क्या ये शिक्षा का फ्यूचर है? ये सब फ्री नहीं है. जो आपने यूएस में जो फ्री एजुकेशन के बारे में सुना है कि पब्लिक स्कूल्स फ्री होते हैं, ये फ्री नहीं है. इसकी फीस, इसकी ट्यूशन है $40,000 to $60,000. भी महंगी एजुकेशन है. क्या फ्यूचर में टीचर की जरूरत खत्म ही हो जाएगी? भी सकता है, पर कहते हैं ऐसा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि टीचर ही है जो वैल्यूज, इमोशंस, इंस्पिरेशन, ह्यूमन कनेक्शन, ये सारी चीजें जो है ये टीचर से ही मिल सकती हैं, इनको AI रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता है। अगर आपके पास ऑप्शन हो तो आप कहाँ भेजना चाहेंगे अपने बच्चों को? क्या लगेगा आपको कि 2 घंटे की पढ़ाई उससे फ्यूचर सिक्योर हो जाएगा, ज्यादा प्रोग्रेस कर सकेंगे, ज्यादा कुछ अचीव कर पाएंगे, या ट्रेडिशनल स्कूल उनके लिए बेटर है? Screens cannot fully replace human interaction. For values and for ethics, a teacher is very important. This comes only from human modeling, not from algorithms. कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं ये तो is just an experiment on kids.
They are kind of our eyes and ears to be a coach when our kids come in here to use them.
So the key incentives are only 2 hours of school, 4 to 6 hours for their hobbies, for their passion projects, for life skills, and gamification with instant feedback. There are daily targets. It feels like a video game instead of school. They get alpha bucks. Students earn rewards for completing tasks, for scoring 90% mastery in a subject, for different achievements, and they can use it for perks, for special privileges. But traditional schools still matter.